To obtain a simple interest at the rate of 12% per annum, a man deposited an amount of 18,700 rupees. Find the total amount will he receive at the end of 7 years. Here the principal is 18,700. Time is 7 years. Rate of interest is 12%. We have to find the total amount. In percentage method, we know that principal equals 100% and simple interest equals NR%. We get amount by adding the principal and the simple interest. If 100% gives 18,700, then 184% gives what? Cross multiplying both sides, we get 34,408. By formula method, A equals P plus PNR by 100. Substituting the values, we get 34,408. Therefore the total amount is rupees 34,408. Arun deposits rupees 30,000 in a bank at the rate of 12% simple interest charged half yearly for 6 years. Find the amount he get after 36 months. Here the amount after 36 months should be calculated, so time should be taken as 36 months. P equals 30,000. N equals 36 months. Months should always be converted into years. N equals 36 by 12. If simple interest is charged half yearly, then R should be divided by 2. So R equals 12% by 2. Simple interest equals 30,000 into 36 by 12 into 12 by 2 on the whole divided by 100. Which gives 5,400. Amount equals 30,000 plus 5,400 gives 35,400. Therefore the total amount after 36 months is 35,400. In 3 years, rupees 5,000 becomes rupees 6,500. If the rate of simple interest is increased by 3%, then find the total amount. Let's write the given information as principal equals 5,000, amount 1 equals 6,500, time equals 3 years. Interest equals 6,500 minus 5,000 gives 1,500. R1 equals 1,500 into 100 on the whole divided by 5,000 into 3. That is 10%. Here R2 is increased by 3%. So R2 equals 10% plus 3% gives 13%. Now principal equals 5,000, N equals 3 years, R2 equals 13%. If 100 gives 5,000, then 139 gives 6,950. Therefore the total amount is rupees 6,950. A lady bought a dressing table for rupees 10,000. Unfortunately she didn't able to pay the full money, so she paid half of the money, and promised to pay the remaining money after 6 months at a rate of 13%. Find the amount paid after 6 months. It is given that R equals 13%, N equals 6 months, converting months into years so dividing it by 12, gives N equals 6 by 12 years. P equals 10,000 minus 5,000 gives 5,000. SI equals 10,000 into 6 into 13, divided by 12 into 100. That is 650. A equals 5,000 plus 650 gives 5,650. Hence the amount paid after 6 months is rupees 5,650. A man invests rupees 25,600 in bank for 4 years at 9% simple interest per annum charged half yearly. Find the amount he receive after 26 months. The amount after 26 months is asked, so taking N as 26 months. That is 26 by 12 years, R is 9 by 2%, P is rupees 25,600. SI equals 25,600 into 26 into 9, divided by 100 into 12 into 2. Gives 2,496. A equals 25,600 plus 2,496, which gives 28,096. Therefore the amount is rupees 28,096. A person deposits 16,000 rupees in the bank at 9% per annum. After how many years will the deposit become 21,760 rupees? Here principal is 16,000. Rate of interest is 9%. Total amount is 21,760. To find the time, first we have to find the interest. Interest equals amount minus principal. That is 21,760 minus 16,000 gives 5,760. N equals 100 into I divided by P into R. Substituting the values, we get 4 years. Therefore, time is 4 years. In 5 years, a sum of money amounts to rupees 17,750 at 7% per annum. After some years, it amounts to rupees 19,370 at the same rate. Find the number of years. Here it is given that A1 equals 17,750, R equals 7%, N1 equals 5 years. A2 equals 19,370, R equals 7%. If 135% gives 17,750. Then 100% gives 13,148.14. Interest equals 19,370 minus 13,148.14, which gives 6,221.86. N2 equals 6,221.86 into 100 on the whole divided by 13,148.14 into 7 gives 6.76 years. The interest on rupees 700 at the rate of simple interest 5% per annum for 6 years is equal to the interest on rupees 500 at the rate of simple interest 8% per annum for some years. Find the number of years. P1 equals 700, N1 equals 6 years, R1 equals 5%. P2 equals 500, R2 equals 8%. SI1 equals SI2. 700 into 6 into 5 by 100 equals 500 into N2 into 8 by 100. On solving, we get N2 equals 21 by 4 years. Therefore, the period of time is 21 by 4 years.